Zono Sushi in Glendale. It's a tits. Hi, Stinky. Hey.
Go away.
Doc hates me. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am going to be showing you my getting ready process. I'm a no fuss kind of person, but I do like to get pretty from time to time. I do have to get my nose hair though. Ooh. Whoa! That is a, oh my god! That is not dog fur. That is my white nose hair.
No, it's not.
Yes,
no, it's not.
I swear. Whoa! Hold on. Is that my white? Oh wait, that's not a white nose
Oh my
hair.
God.
It's a piece of plastic from the table. I did just get out of the shower. But I did just blow dry my hair. So there's nothing in it. I don't have anything on my face.
Hello. I'm leaving.
Okay. Cool. Glad we had that moment.
No.
So after I get in the shower, I don't usually blow dry my hair because I don't have any time. But I usually always use this right out of the shower. It is the Kristin Ess air dry spray. It's so great because it leaves me texture. It smells so good too. And then I just run my fingers through it and then I just push it back. And if I'm like getting really fancy, I will use a brush. Next, I tone my face after I get out of the shower. So I'm just gonna take a cotton round. And since it's like summer, I freaking hate wearing anything thick on my face. But if I have to look pretty, I have to look pretty, right? So I first tone with this Bliss Watermelon. Watermelon. It smells like watermelon. I love everything that's watermelon. And it's summer, so it fits perfectly. And sometimes toner gets off things that didn't come off in the shower. So it not only fixes your pH balance, it also gets extra crud that you didn't scrub off. It feels so good. My toner's dry. It feels really, really good. Check in with Tanky. Wow.
I'm sleeping. Go away.
Okay, now I'm going to use another watermelon product, but this time it's from Glow Recipe. I love Glow Recipe. Everything smells like watermelon. They have something that's pineapple. They have a cleanser that's blueberry, which is perfect for summer. Okay, anyway, this is the Pink Juice Moisturizer. It's really light. Like I said, I don't like to use a lot of like stuff during the summer because it feels like my face gets really oily. So I just rub this in. It smells so good! And it hydrates so good. But you know what? I have an oily complexion, so rarely do I need something super thick. This just does the trick. It feels so good. Okay, so now that I've got that all on, I let myself dry. And then you can see I'm a little red. I'm pretty blotchy in some areas.
Yes.
But we are gonna knock that right out. My go-to, which is the Bare Minerals Original Powder. It evens me out and it makes me look like I'm wearing nothing but my skin. But wait, before that, I sometimes conceal like under my eyes in a little area where like I'm a little bit more red. So I use the Nude stick, Nudies Tinted Blur Stick. So easy. And then I'm gonna go underneath my eyeballs a little bit. I use like a really yellowish color because I have a lot of red in my skin. Sometimes when you use yellow, it could look like you're like sick, but not this. So I just put it on and then I tap everything on. I mean, would you look at this mug and be like, this fool is wearing makeup? No, didn't think so. So I don't know if you can tell a difference, but I definitely toned down the redness in my face. And now I'm gonna use the master plan. I use medium tan. Sometimes I use golden tan, but right now I have medium tan. I just take a little fluffy brush like this, and it's really crazy because it really just like makes me look so even. Okay. Swirl, swirl for your life. I mean, I'm just gonna pay a little special attention to this ingrown chin hair. I mean, gonzo, right? But you thought I was done. I really do get pretty. Hold on. Wrist break, I get carpal tunnel syndrome. Okay. Now, what else? Oh, my brows. So I used to have really bushy brows growing up, and I don't know what happened. They're just falling off. But I am using Ardell Stroke-A-Brow feathering pen. It's like a marker. I use soft black, and I'm just gonna draw in like little hairs, little by little. I just draw little hairs where I'm missing them. I love this though, because if you make a mistake, you just kind of blur it out. I mean, I feel like you could tell a difference. So I'm just gonna do the second one. I don't like to go too overboard. I do have dreams of looking like Frida Kahlo sometimes. This is the shit. Everyone needs to get this. See? 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 Is it cute though? No, I'm asking you.
Oh,
cute?
yeah. Yeah, it looks good.
Okay, good. So now I have 2 more steps.
1.
Wait. I have 2 more steps. 1, 2. So I
Don't like to look powdery ever.
and the way this makes me not look powdery is because of this one step. It's no secret. I just like to use a hydrating mist. Guess what? There's one from Glow Recipe. It's a watermelon one. You guys, like, I don't even, like, it's messed up. Like, when I spray this on my face, I feel like I just need to eat, like, a freaking watermelon. Anyway, it's really cool because it has, like, an aerosol effect, but then it dies out. So it's not like you're, like, having to spray like that. But hold on.
I feel like you can smell it through the screen.
Does it smell good?
You are not funny.
Cool. Let that sucker dry. I mean, don't I look good? I'm asking you.
Yes.
Okay, great, thanks. The one thing that Bare Minerals does have is that it does have an SPF of 18, but sometimes I don't feel like it's strong enough if I'm gonna be like on set all day underneath the sun. It's just like, So my last step that I do every day, even if I'm not using Bare Minerals, is using the Supergoop Invincible setting powder. So I love everything from Supergoop, truly. I love this because I still feel like it's like a no fuss kind of thing. I just dust my face with this sucker all over, especially on my nose. Do you know where else I dust it? On my freaking part. Because everyone gets burnt there, but no one seems to talk about it. And I do carry this around with me because you gotta reapply. Okay, so now I'm all done, but I actually did have one more step. How could I forget?
Supple lip.
I love Fresh Sugar Lip Balm.
Oh no.
I feel like it looks like I ate fried chicken a little bit though. I also use this at night, right before going to bed. And my lips come out like... Tanky's head always smells like lemon balm because I always kiss him on the face.
Don't kiss my face.
Anyway, thank you for watching. That's how I get ready. You should use my tips, especially if you're a dude and you don't want to look like you have makeup on, but you're going to somewhere special. I mean, I feel like the tips were like kind of universal. No fuss getting ready trick. Now, if I wasn't talking to you all, it would be literally a 5-minute process. But since I was talking you through it, I had to be a little bit more explanatory. Those are just tips. Super fast, super easy, super doable. And thank you for joining me for a meal and getting ready. I really feel like I should go somewhere. I know, I'm gonna go to the store and get some watermelon. I'm gonna go to the store and get some watermelon. Bye!